Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making the most amazing vanilla cupcakes. To begin, in a mixing bowl, add in 1¼ cups of all-purpose flour, 1¼ teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and whisk to incorporate, then set it aside. Now, in a large mixing bowl, add in half a cup of unsalted softened butter, followed by 3/4 cup of sugar. Then, using a hand mixer, mix at medium-high speed for about 5 minutes, or until thick and fluffy. Then add in 2 room temperature large eggs, one at a time. Beat the egg until well incorporated. Then add in the second large room temperature egg and incorporate as well. With a spatula, scrape the bottom of the bowl as needed. Then add in 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract and beat to combine. Now add the flour mixture in, but don't dump it all in at once, add it in thirds. Mix at a medium speed until incorporated. We are using half a cup of buttermilk, but add the buttermilk in increments just like the flour mixture. Continue adding the flour mixture and the buttermilk, mixing to incorporate each addition. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Scrape the bottom of the bowl to prevent any lumps and mix just until smooth. Now divide the batter evenly into a 12 muffin or cupcake pan, filling 2/3 full. Now bake at 350 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. And if everything goes according to plan, your cupcakes should look like this. And to ensure that they are ready, a toothpick inserted in the center should come out clean. Let them cool in the pan for about 5 minutes before transferring them onto a wire rack. Now, for the frosting, in a mixing bowl, add in 1½ cups of heavy cream. Then, using a hand mixer, mix at high speed for about 2 minutes, or until fluffy and spreadable. Then, in another mixing bowl, add in 8 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, followed by 2 cups of powdered sugar. Mix with the electric mixer on low speed at first. Once incorporated, change the speed to high and continue mixing for 2 minutes, or until smooth and creamy. Add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and combine. Now combine the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture. Fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture until well blended. Then transfer into a piping bag or refrigerate until ready to use. Now here comes the fun part, we get to frost the vanilla cupcakes. And to give them some color, add sprinkles. Yay! And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, the most amazing vanilla cupcakes. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye!